Hey guys, welcome to the Online Hustle Guide TV, where I'm going to be committed to bringing you the best information there is when it comes to making money online. I know that by the time you are here, you have been to so many places scratching your head. Is it really true that someone can really make money online? And I'm here to tell you that it is very, very possible for you to make money online. I know you've been to different places, you've been to different websites, you have been to Google, you have been to Bing, scratching your head. Which ways can I really make money online? You have been to YouTube, you have seen all these videos. People are splashing cash around and they're telling you that they are making all this money online. So, and you asking yourself a lot of questions. Is this really true? Or some of you have even tried out this and it did not really work out. I was like that at one particular time. I've spent almost 6 years of my life trying to find out the best ways and means to make money online, and I come to you with my very own experience, bringing you information of what really works and what works. And to answer your question, it is very true. You can really make money online, but for that to really happen, you are going to need strategies. You are really going to need strategies. You're going to need updates, information, and that is why the Online Hustle Guide TV is in the business to basically spill all the beans for you. I will be bringing you what is working, what does not work, what do you need to do, what are the strategies, which websites are really paying out, regardless of where you are, whether you are in Africa, you are in Asia, you are in Bangladesh, you are in Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, whichever place that you are residing in. I can assure you I'm going to be bringing you the information that you need to start earning online, because our goal is that at the end of the day you start counting the cash, and you start spilling the cash yourself, that you're counting, and that you have made all this money by simply sitting on your computer. So the only thing I'm going to tell you, that if you want to really see this work out and happen, just tune into my channel, subscribe to the channel, like all my videos, comment on the videos, and share these videos with so many other people so that we can grow the best community when it comes to making money online. I'm here to share with you my information that I believe will also help you. Are you a pregnant mother, breastfeeding mother? Have you been laid off your job? Have you lost hope? Are you frustrated? Things seem not to be working out. I mean, my brother, my sister, you don't have to cry that hard. There's something that you can do about it by simply sitting on your computer, connecting your internet, and start cashing out. And all this information is going to come from this channel. Thank you so much once again. Make sure you subscribe, like my videos, comment on the videos, and I would really want to hear from you. Drop the comments, ask all the questions that you want. I will be answering all those questions, and looking forward to hearing your testimonies that you have as well made it. I myself, I have counted dollars that have come from hustling and working online. You can do the same too. Welcome back thank you so much once again for coming to this channel, and I can assure you all is going to work out for the best. Thank you so much, and God bless you.